Hello guys, I received my drone today, so let's check what's inside the box. Okay guys, I'm using a small knife in order to open the box. So, I'll remove the plastic first, put the knife away, and what I'm using, yeah, little plastic thing here, we cut this thing. Yeah, beautiful bag. Maybe I should go like this, tight off. Inside the bag there is some accessories, I would say. Yeah, the extra propellers. Yeah, some other extra propellers. User manual. And nothing else. Now I'm going to open the bag. As you can see, beautiful bag. So what is this? Let's put this aside and look what is inside this thing. Oh, the extra batteries. So there's one extra battery, another extra battery, so you can get two extra batteries with the flying combo, and the cable, and of course the charger. So I put this away. Let's see what I've got here. Let's open this up. Oh yeah, the charger thing for the batteries. This is the remote control. Open it. Yeah, this is the remote control. Put it aside, and this is the drone itself. Yeah, and it has a battery mount into it. What we have got here? Nothing else. Yeah, that's it. I think we've got something here as well. Yeah, we have got something here as well. You know, the USB cables. I don't know what are these. Let me open. Oh yeah, these are the filters. 3 different filters for the camera. And yeah, this for the charger, I would say. Yeah. Anyhow, so that's pretty much it. So stay tuned, guys. I will try to set this up, and stay tuned. I'll catch you guys up in the next video.